Hello, everybody. It's Eric Toddy, Director of Membership and Sales for the Mountain Home Area Chamber of Commerce. And we're going to be releasing some instructional videos on how to get the most out of your membership and our website. And today I want to talk to you about one of the most frequented pages since we launched the new website in January of 2020. So if you'll go with me to Enjoy Mountain Home and you scroll down, you can see our events calendar. Now, if you look at the statistics from December of 2020, November to December of 2020, the events calendar is one of our second most viewed pages, aside from the home pages, on our website. So back at enjoymountainhome.com on the home page, you see view all events. All you have to do is click on calendar of events, view all events, and you'll see everybody's events that they have listed here. And this again is free of charge and a very frequented area. It's a very easy process. All you have to do is click submit your event, and then each item that has an asterisk needs to be filled out, or else your event will not be filled out properly or submitted properly. So I'm going to start with my name, and then we'll go enter a telephone number, please. And that will help us reach out to you if there are any problems. And make sure you enter an email. And I'll go ahead and enter mine here. And then we want to go to the event title. So the chamber is having a golf tournament coming up, for instance. And I'm going to enter the event details here. Don't forget, you can use this for anything in your store or your restaurant or anything that you want. Say you're having a special tonight for 20% off crab legs. Put that in there, put it on the calendar so people can know. So I'm going to put in the golf tournament details here. I've cheated and pasted it in, but you can see I've got all the event details. Chamber Golf Tournament coming up May 14th at Big Creek, sponsored by Baxter Regional Medical Center. Shotgun start at 12:30. Contact Angela Broom for details and at her email address. Lots of fun and great prizes, etc., etc. Make sure all of the details in your event are included in this event description. Otherwise, again, it will not get processed properly. So the start date is 5/14/2021. So we'll put that in there. And it's going to end on the same day. So you can put the same day that it ends, 05/14/2021. Now, if it's going to be an event that lasts for a week, well, then you can make it last for a week. So we would say instead 05/21/2021, and it will stay on the calendar for that period of time. A key thing to remember, though, if you do have a recurring event, say something that happens every Tuesday, you will need to create a new event weekly. Otherwise, it'll go on the calendar for every day that you post. So, say you think you're doing the full year, it'll go on the calendar every day and mess everything all up. So you don't want to do that. So if you have a recurring event, just go ahead and submit your information weekly. After you got all your information correct, everything filled out, all you have to do is click submit, and that will go directly to Angela's email. And please give her 48 hours to process that, as we do get a lot of requests, and sometimes it's spam, so we have to filter through that. Well, I hope this video has been informative and helped you. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me at Eric at enjoymountainhome.com right up here, and I can answer any questions for you, or feel free to give me a call at the chamber at 425, looks like I didn't put the last number in there, 5111, and I'll help you as much as I can. Again, this is a free service, one of the most visited pages on our website, so we hope that you take advantage of it. Thanks for listening. I hope this video has helped, and have a great day.